Click and you will have this responsive landing page per your website, per your clients. Oh my god! Wow! Just to generate this landing page, we need to click just one button. So it will generate this automatically responsive landing page for us. No coding, no headache, nothing else required. So let's start and make this landing page by pressing one button. So I have this ready-made prompt for generating this website landing page. If you want it, I will share it with you. So let's first of all copy this prompt, Control A, Control C. After copying this, come here to ChatGPT. After coming here to the new chat, and here now we will just search, we will paste our prompt here. After pasting that, press enter simply. After pressing enter, so it will generate the code for us. Let's just wait for the generating ReactJS and Tailwind CSS code. Just by one click, you can generate your landing page. Let's wait for the generation. So I think the code has been generated. Yes, the code has been generated. Now let's copy this code and paste to our React app. Copy this. After copying, come here to VS Code. I have a fresh React app. So after making your React app and installing Tailwind CSS, now let's paste our code here. Control V. So what I need, yeah, we have separate components. We have, let's check. Okay, let's just come here. We have this HR landing page. Inside this landing page, we have all the sections listed. So you can move these components to separate components. Also create a component folder, and inside that you can paste all these components. So let's check it. Yeah, that is okay. So let's come here and we will change this to app, because our app is imported inside this main.jsx. Our app, React app, is running. Yes. So just come here now to the browser, and on the browser let's refresh it. So after refreshing, this is our landing page that we have. Now we will just make a few changes inside this. Look at this is HR. So let's just make some changes. Okay, just we need to generate this image, and what else we need to do, and this is fully responsive. Okay, let's come here, come here to the Navbar, look at it, looks like that. So we will go through all this process. That's it. Just come here and we will generate this image. So come here back to ChatGPT and ask from ChatGPT prompt for hero section illustration. So it will give you a prompt for the image. So then you can generate that using AI. There are different AIs that you can use for generating images. Different prompts has been provided. So let's now open image effects. Come here to the labs.google, to the tools, to the image effects. After opening this, now let's paste our prompt here. Control V and press create button, so it will create the image for us. Yeah, different images has been created, so you can take another prompt if you want to test it. I don't know, more corporate and clean, friendly and startup, isometric, premium. So different images that you can try. Which one you choose, so then select that one. So I will choose this one. I will download it. So after downloading that, now let's take that and put it inside these assets. So I will bring that image here. Yes, I copied the image here. This is the image. So now we can import that one. Import dashboard from, we can just move to /assets/ I think, yeah, dashboard.png. That's the name. Now let's use it here inside the illustration. This is Navbar, this is hero section. Where, yeah, here, let's use that here. So look at, we have that here, but we will add some height padding from top and left, or we can make the height of this hero section to 100 VH vertical height. So come here to the section, this is that section. So let's make it minimum height. For example, let's make it 90 VH vertical height. Yes, now we will bring these items to the center. So to bring them, simply we will do like flex items center. That's it. Look at it, looks beautiful now. Title, book a demo, and the Navbar. Come here down to the powerful HR. We can just make these also like the minimum height 90 VH or 80 VH, how it looks like. Okay, I will just edit these also. Just come here, let's edit it together. Come here to the feature section. So I will make it minimum height will be like 60 VH. That's it. Flex items center. Great. Now let's check that. Look at, this is the hero and this is the feature section. The items should be at the center. Minimum height 60 VH, or let's make it 80 VH. Yeah, that's it. Testimonials, so let's make it the background color gray. Yes, just a minute, we will check that. The testimonial powerful HR tools. Yeah, what leaders say. That's it. So let's make it 100. And we will just make it minimum height 70 VH. Yes, it looks great now. Leader say pricing, we can just make the pricing also. That's it, simple pricing, but let's design it also. It has changed, like max width 7XL. That's it. Text 3D great, MD great calls 3 gap 6. Yes, that is okay. So why great calls 1, MD great calls 3, and let's make it like max R2. Let's check the border of this. Okay, this is debugging. When you are just debugging, like we should make it widthful. Yes, that looks great now. This is another section. We will just make it, we will add padding here. We will make the padding 28, padding white up and bottom. Look great. And this is our footer. So it was all about the section that we created just by clicking one button, and we have this result. Let's check the responsiveness of this. Look at, everything looks great. HR section, okay. Come here back.